Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Sanjukta, and if you're watching this face for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And it's been a while that I haven't made any long-term video because nowadays everyone is like in shorts and reels, so I have stopped making long-term video because no one has time to watch long-term video. That's why I have started making shorts in YouTube. So in my channel there are so many shorts video, even you can find so many mini vlogs, so don't forget to check them out. I have came here to show you my Zudio clothing collection.
Wow!
So yeah, I know you guys are very excited. Now Zudio is in hype. So in today's video I'm going to talk about their collection, their price range, their quality, and also what's the hype about this. I will share everything. So if you are interested to know about Zudio, then watch this video till the end. To be honest, Zudio has like very basic, also very trendy and fashionable clothing collection. Also they try to copy Zara and H&M dresses. Yes, and that's the plus point, and you can get those clothes in a very affordable price. And one thing I want to share, that Zudio's price range is under rupees 1000. Yes, isn't it cool? So whatever you buy from this particular brand, you will get under rupees 1000. Okay, so first I have this white, very basic white shirt, but it's not that basic. It has a very beautiful sleeve over here. As you can see it's a puff sleeve, and it will give you such a cute look. Also the collar is something different, it's bigger than usual basic white shirt. So yeah, I love this so much. Look at this beautiful shirt, oh my god, such a cute, and it has a Korean vibe, and you can wear this shirt in your corporate office but in a style. इसका प्राइस है 599. so isn't it affordable? इसका क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छा है. It feels like a cotton, but still I have to check after wearing this, but I love this shirt so much. Okay, next I have this another one of my favorite cute shirts from this haul. So here it is. This is a crop shirt, and look at the neck. This is so cute, and the print is also very nice. I love this. It fitted me so well, enhanced my body so well. That's the reason why I picked it up. This is so cute. I know I am saying this word repeatedly, but I can't stop myself. Here is the back, and yes, again इसका क्वालिटी बहुत ही अच्छा है, एंड व्हाट आई कैन फील धोने के बाद में भी खराब नहीं होगा. सो या इट्स अ थम्स अप फ्रॉम माय साइड, एंड इसका प्राइस है अगेन इट्स अ 599. नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस अनदर top, which is this. It's a very basic top. As you can see, the color is amazing. It's mustard yellow, and the quality is again amazing. Trust me, it's so comfortable to wear and so good quality. But one more thing, as I have mentioned, it's a basic t-shirt, but after wearing this you will look so stylish. It's a big thumbs up from my side. It has a square neck, so square neck is in trend, as you guys know already. For this top my size is M, as you can see, and its price है it's a 499. and yes, I really love this color and top, इसका design and the material. As you can see from the beginning that I have wear this top, very pretty top, and this top is from Zudio. Yes, you heard it right. This particular top is so cute, and this is one of my favorite. And look at the sleeves, oh my god, such a pretty cute sleeve. इसका sleeves कुछ ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं है, कुछ छोटा भी नहीं है. जस्ट इस यहाँ पे they have made a puff, so it will make you so structured, and the collar is so amazing. Not that big, not that small, just perfect size for me. And the color is a fuchsia pink. I love this so much. And this is also a crop shirt, but not that crop, it's like modest crop shirt. So yes, it's very stylish as well as very modest, so anyone can wear this. One thing about Zudio, they make tops or dresses very stylish but in a modest way, so that anyone can wear this. If I am not wrong, इसका price भी it's like 599, 600 or 500, not more than that. And if I talk about the material, again it's very comfortable. It has no see-through material and it will not be ruined after washing. So yeah, again big thumbs up from my side. Okay, last but not the least, I have this very basic tee over here. It's a black and white striped tee for regular basis, or whenever you are confused that what to wear or not, then this basics works wonders. So I got this from Zudio. सबसे पहले मैंने यही खरीदा है. This is very old collection from Zudio. I got this like 3 to 4 months earlier. Trust me, I have worn this so many times. I have washed this so many times and still it's doing great. But to be honest, I can't remember the price range, but it would be 300 to 400, not more than that. I'm very much sure. This is one of my favorite top. इसका sleeve बहुत अच्छा है. Trust me, I don't know why. It will give you such a cute look. Also love the border over here they have made. So all in all, I love this basic top, and these basic tops are very useful for your daily basics. So yeah, next I have this very cute again top over here. It's a very stylish and it will give you such a formal look. Yes, because of this sleeve. It's a long sleeve. I love the sleeve, love the nail, इसका pattern, I love it, and the quality, the material is amazing. It will not be ruined after washing this top, so that's a great part of this top. And as you can see, I have removed the price tag because I have wear it outside already so many times actually. But if I'm not wrong, its price is 600, 500 to 600, not more than that. I'm very much sure. So yes, the color is so pretty. It's like a peach or baby pink, not baby pink, it's a peach color. I really love this top. Okay, so first I will show you two dresses from Zudio. So first I have this very casual yet very cute black dress, and here it is. And this dress is so cute. It has a full sleeve over here, and this is how the sleeve looks like. And yes, the material is, what can I say, trust me, whatever I have purchased from Zudio, every material is so perfect. Material is so comfortable and very breathable, so it's perfect for summer. The price is only $699, so again it's a big thumbs up from my side. Okay, next I have my favorite dress from this brand, and here it is. Just look at the neck, the print, the sleeve, and oh my god, what I can say about this dress, इसका material भी बहुत अच्छा है, perfect for summer. And when I saw this dress, there were one piece only, and I saw that the size was ace, and I was so skeptical about this. But after wearing this dress, oh my god, it fitted me so well. इसके पीछे थोड़ा smoke पैटर्न है, मतलब थोड़ा कुछ जिसको आप ऐसे खींच सकते हैं, जिसमें आप बहुत अच्छे से फिट हो सकते हैं. सो दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस ड्रेस. एंड हियर इज द फ्रंट neck, and it has a little knot over here, which is very cute, and I really love the sleeve. And it's a mid-length dress. Nowadays mid-length dresses are in. इसका price है it's a 999. थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव लगा है मुझे, but still it's okay. I love this dress so much. And या मैंने एक जीन्स भी खरीदा है, वो भी ट्रेंडी जीन्स एंड लाइक बेल बॉटम कुछ ऐसा ही बोलता है. एंड हियर इट इज and here is the jeans. As you can see, I can show you properly, but you can see over here. If I talk about the material of these jeans, it's so breathable, so comfortable and so good. Trust me. Zudio का एक ही जीन्स मैंने लिया है, दूसरा मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया है, लेकिन जो भी मुझे मिला है it's perfect for me. I wear this in a daily basis. Trust me, in this summer, in this humid weather, this jeans is so perfect for me. Also, it gives me such a chic and stylish vibe, and you will get shocked after hearing the price range of these jeans. It cost me only 800. It was 799. So isn't it so cool? क्योंकि आज के मार्केट में वो भी ऑफलाइन 799 में जीन्स मिला, इट्स लाइक नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल, बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विथ माई परचेज. ओके, दिस इज इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो useful and helpful. So if you want more this kind of video, then please let me know in the comment section below. I will make those video for you guys. Also, I have uploaded so many shorts videos on Zudio clothing collection, so those are in my channel. Don't forget to check them out. I will also mention those shorts link in my description box. Please check them out. So we'll see my next video. Bye bye.